Assalamualaikum class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So class, as you know that we should have to start our day by the name of Allah. So recite dua with me. Sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. O God, increase my strength to seek knowledge. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum class. I am going to represent quiz question of grade O1 subject biology unit 2. So you should have to listen the questions related to that very carefully and you have to prepare your quiz competition for that. So the first question is, what is nutrients? Nutrients are the chemical substance in the food we eat. And what is the second question? What are substrates? The substance on which enzyme act are called substrate. The specificity of an enzyme is due to its dash. It's due to its shape and surface configuration. Group of organic catalyst protein in nature present in the living cell. What are these? Option A is enzyme, B is catalyst, C is hormones. So the option A is right here. Enzymes are the group of organic catalysts which are protein in nature and present in living cells. Organic substance on which the enzyme act. So what is the option A? Coenzyme, B is product, C is substrate. So the right option for that is option C. Substrate is the right answer. The catalytic activity of enzyme is restricted to a small portion called. Option A is passive site, option B is active site, option C is allosteric site. So what is the right option here? That is option B, that is active site. Lock and key model proposed by dash. A is Emil Fischer, B is Koshland, C is both. So the right option for that is option A. Chemical element found in carbohydrates are. Option A is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Option B is carbon and oxygen. Option C is only hydrogen. So the right answer is option number A, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Which substance in the diet can prevent ricket? Option A is calcium and vitamin C. Option B is calcium and vitamin D. Option C is iron. So the right option for that is option B, which is calcium and vitamin D. A disease kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of. Option A is vitamin. Option B is protein. Option C is fat. So the right answer is option number B, which is protein. Compounds which are needed in a very small amount but their deficiency could lead to scurvy and rickets. So the option A is vitamin, option B is protein, option C is fat. So the right option for that is option number A. Fats are digested to form dash. So the answer for that is fatty acid and glycerol. In ethanol emulsion, test formation of dash indicate the presence of fat. So what is the answer here? The cloudy white emulsion. Whenever it appear, it means the fat is present there. Example of the food that is rich in protein. The answer for that is milk, egg, meat, seafood. Protein consists of dash linked together by peptide bond. Protein is consist of amino acid which are linked together to form peptide bond. So the answer for that is amino acid. The complex carbohydrate which make up the cell wall in plant are called. Option number A is lactose, B is maltose, C is cellulose. So the right option for that is option number C, which is cellulose. Starch can be tested in any food by the help of. Option number A is iodine solution, option number B is burette solution, option number C is Benedict solution. So the right option is that option number A, iodine solution. Anemia is defined as a lack of dash in diet. Option number A is protein, option number B is iron, option C is none of above. So the right option for that is option number B, which is iron. Protein can be tested in any food by the help of starch solution. B option is burette solution. C option is Benedict solution. So how could you test the protein in any food by the help of burette solution? Option number B is right here. Proteins give dash color with burette solution, so the answer for that is violet color. Enzymes are the biological catalysts that are made up of dash, so the answer for that is protein. Dash is the change in the three-dimensional structure of an enzyme, so the answer for that is denaturation. Denaturation of an enzyme take place at extreme dash and dash, so the answer for that is pH and temperature. There are six classes of dash the body need for growth. Option A is obesity, B is nutrient, C is physical fitness, so the answer for that is B, nutrients. The example for healthy fat, option A is olive oil, B is vegetables, C is nuts, so the right option for that is option number A, olive oil. Proteins are needed for the synthesis of dash. The answer for that is enzymes, hormones and antibodies. Carbohydrates digest dash. The answer for that is carbohydrate. Protease digest dash. So the answer for that is protein. Lipase digest dash. So the answer for that is fats. Enzymes are highly specific in their action. Give one example for that. That how could you say that enzymes are highly specific in their action? So the answer for that is amylase only act on starch. Fine. Amylase will only act on starch. It will not act on other. Like for example, protein is there. It will only act on starch. What are proteins? Organic molecules made up of elements which are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. We called it as protein. What is peptide bond? The bond that is formed between two amino acids is called as peptide bond, and this bond is very much strong. Is there any difference between the fat and oil? So the answer for that is fats are solid and oil are liquid at room temperature. Too much cholesterol in the diet may cause dash. The answer is coronary heart disease. So thanks class for your attention. So class, that's all about your quiz. Good luck for your quiz and prepare your quiz. Allah Hafiz.